Seer.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Akabenezer.
This is so fun. I'm going to be calm.
Seer, this is here. I'm selling stuff. What are you doing?
500 cedis.
Hey!
This sound.
Look at trying.
No, for 500,000.
No, no, bro. My man 100 cedis on. He should have imagined. About 5 million. Okay. No 5 million. So then get 1,000. Hey. Mati, I can't buy my wife. Yeah, man. What don't you? I'm doing it out of love, okay?
I have a reference count.
Let's have a reference count.
Yeah, you better me.
Me choose cano. You hear it too. Hey, Ati abakuju. Ati.
I'm afraid of
No, I'm hanging.
Huh? I'm whispering.
I know it's the new Nigerian.
Some day.
Hey! I don't know where I'm going now.
I know what's going on.
And if I don't know, I'm going to
You're not telling me.
Many men tell me,
Look at me, nice.
ah, and yes, the same.
You're not fine, but my best me.
Ah, how? What am I
Some boy you blue.
See a power blue. Now, be no blue, what happened?
Oh, your bolo also for swag well. I'm the come one.
See a quality. Remember for what?
The fancy one, but you're in some money.
Hey. Seer. So where did you get this food?
Just eat.
I should just eat.
Yes.
And where did you show it?
And they prepare.
But wait, where did you get it?
Ordered it.
Okay. From where?
From this app. I don't even remember.
So you don't remember the app?
I don't remember, just eat.
So the food is delicious. No, the pepper is too much. You shouldn't have the pepper.
Calm down.
Very nice. So is this how it's going to be every day? Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's chew the meat.
Huh?
Let's chew the meat and let me give you the rice. Wow, Seer. Yeah. In fact, I really love you.
Love you too.
I'll never hate you, okay? Hey, Seer, my journey, Aroma. What should I pound? Hey, you are doing all of this for them. Now, a month now.
Eat.
It's like we're in a rush. It's like we're in a rush.
You're talking too much. You know we are eating.
I'm just complimenting you, but okay. And add the pepper. So you are very romantic. Yeah. And I wasted all my time on these other ladies. Meanwhile, you know something?
Let me feed you.
Let's eat first. How we do it as it is.
So can we eat?
It tastes more delicious than the food.
Eat.
I've even lose appetite.
Scanty. Don't start. Eat.
You know something?
What?
Your kids like the food. Wallahi.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso, where Maya, me, person, me come.
What I need to say? Could you please open your mouth? How are you doing? You take your medication, send me what can you can't take.
I try.
Yes, Antoine, no. One pass, I be beating me. As Antoine, now but try. Why?
who precious any needing come up, but also be about I will train a deca. Why? Maybe you get it. Because life no sanity. The middle demand and also nature. You know, I come to you. Now, to contact with the men and uncle. Why?
7 million coin.
Asantoa, the TNE say, precious, you make us say, or say one shedder. One shedder. Oh, see, we are said, oh, we beat me, maybe a new one give class. Say, yes, sir. What I say, it be any but we are seeing a minute demand on one edge. Shall Cranko by a trans and can be only the old befem. How they be mount. Yanko person so continue when means what it means to come to him what it in sing Yanko Pon say will be used enough for me. And yes, what I say, what's why I said that? It's a man and Sumaran who says unto who clone you, who clone we. So yes, I giddy know the soon. Oh, real work of your own. It is as I'm to my musa. It will know we and Kaupana. Oh, they be. It's a young couple so transfer person who name him. It's no more cranny a day. You know, I'm so proud of person trans and Corona Transi. What you say? Usa, we are young girl and was so bobra. Young couple person money and baby who him. It's no year chronicle few amount. It's money how what's it?
Stress and my family was.
What you nimbi? I didn't tell our own say messing pam many a schoolness. I bet not say I knew you. When you may be my break, who I woke up here. I couldn't buy me dinner. As I do, send me a metawachi. My boy. What's it? Auntie, me penny Tenasima like will be Missy. Oh, I'm funny. Why? Fache, Obi, just say, Obi to me, you may be Grandma, Danny, be a shaman, men, you never be a word so what Tenassi. What I say, it may be how I might be a Hawaii. What did they mean here? So, but to medication. No, I will say, no, why ding, or where they after all, we are by ye Sebu, my Samone, Aquala, Samno. If you want to concentrate on your books, who use school with me, Minister Biko or Seer Master, which is the Biko Seer Master, no one, Joe, Mau Cast, you'll be a come on. What MK, man, your master back or a man named Susanna school, or say there's more sleep after death. Until now, Namini, Tiama, Maria. Now, person concentrate on your books. No, see the old trials. I'm not passing. I'll be in particular that. Right after that, wait me out. Usa. And once or best when one bone, and she see who are dear. What I say? Yeah, MK make a sign some man. So, when you know me too.
What have I done to you to deserve this? Huh? Scanty.
Precious, can't you talk, huh? Can't you talk? Scanty, what should I do?
Scanty, just talk to me. What have I done? If I've done something wrong, you can just tell me so I'll just apologize or something.
And what have you not done?
I have not done anything to you.
Then if you've not done anything to me, then you can just...
So tell me. Since I don't know, just stand there and let's talk. Talk to me. Why will you go around telling people things that I have not said?
I don't owe you any explanation.
So why did you tell the school nurse
I owe you no explanation.
Scanty, I don't like that.
Why did I tell the school nurse?
You told the school nurse that I said I want him to be sacked or something.
Have you ever seen me talking to the school nurse on this campus before?
So you mean you didn't say it?
Me.
Really?
Talk to the school nurse.
So we should call the school nurse.
You can call him.
Scanty, why are you lying?
Is the school nurse my talking with?
How you are talking? I thought now you are no more scared of people.
I'm not scared of anyone, but I will not admit what I've not said. Huh? I've not told the school nurse anything. The school nurse is not my colleague, he's not my talking mate, he's not my friend. So if the school nurse I've told you that I've told him something, then just forget about it.
The school nurse has told you that I have told him
Thanks
something.
for the correction.
You don't know how to speak good English, but you'll be going around telling people things that I have not said.
If I'm not able to speak good English,
So far as the person knows what I'm talking about, I'm
Tell
okay
me.
with it.
Tell me why you are doing all this. Tell me why. Because I had a good excuse to leave you. So why are you acting like you didn't do anything and I left you? Or I am the bad person?
Precious.
Did I ever talk to you about somebody?
Precious, you haven't seen anything yet on this campus. The battle between us.
Which battle? Which battle? Or you cannot leave me.
Our own is going to be World War III.
Is it that you cannot take me out of your life?
You out of my life.
You want that in any scenario, you want to find me inside your life.
Precious.
Even as an enemy.
Don't go that far.
Then
if you have it in mind that I like you.
It's not about you liking me, nah. You cannot take me out of your life. Because you claim that you were in love with me and now you want me to be your enemy. Let's just be strangers. That is what I told you. But Precious, you cannot do it.
I was never in love with you. I was never. It was a prank. I was just scamming you. I was never in love with you. Put that in mind, eh? And don't stand anywhere to mention that I'm your ex.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you. God will punish you.
For this one, did you think I loved you?
No. I don't even care. So you not tell me, you don't have the guts to tell me why
I heard some things about you know, because I heard some things about albinos like you. So that's why I decided to come into your life too.
Okay. To test it.
Exactly. So if you think I ever loved you, that's your bad. So what next? Can I leave?
Yeah, you can.
No,
you can go. I'm also going.
I just want to pass this place.
Good.
Yeah, me when I know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me when I know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with me yeah.
So what are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm learning.
See, forget about it. I've been meaning to tell you something.
You've been mean? The thing is, I can't hear you.
I want to tell you something.
You want to tell me something?
Yes.
Alright, okay,
I've been thinking about it for a very long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, right now you're not dating anybody. Like you are single. You know that, right? You are single. Why are you looking at me like that?
Are you asking me
I'm
that I'm
telling
single?
you because I know
me.
everybody knows that you are single now. You're not dating anybody.
Okay.
And I'm also single. So single dog. So why are you looking at me like that?
No,
look at me.
Joking, right?
Look at me. Scratch the tomboys. I can be a lady for you. If only you would want to be with me. If only you want to be with me.
Scratch the what?
Scratch the tomboy side of me.
Scratch the... Yeah, even if you're a Jerry boy, I don't care. I should scratch the tom what?
The tomboy side of me. Oh, I can't... Oh, look at me. Look at me. I have also...
Hey, wait, I'm coming. Are you playing with me?
I'm not. I'm serious. I'm telling you something from my heart. Like I've been thinking about it for a very long time, but I didn't know how to come to you.
So what are you trying to tell me?
I'm into you.
You are into me. Get out.
Oh.
Get out completely. Yeah.
Oh.
I said get out.
See, I'm a lady.
I'm not saying you're not a lady. Wait. They asked you to come and
nobody asked
me,
me,
right?
Nobody asked me anything. Like it's been with me for a very long time, but I didn't know how to approach you. You said that time you were dating someone else. I didn't want to disturb you. But now I realized you are single, and I'm also single.
What's your name again?
Akiti.
Akiti.
I can call me Akiti, baby.
Hey, I can call you what?
Akiti.
If I sound you, If I sound you, you will learn sense. If I sound you,
I'm about to become your girlfriend. You will sound me.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth, God.
Oh.
What's your name? Are you Ajua or Abna? What?
I'm Efia.
Efia,
baby.
Hey!
See, what have I done?
Oh, so you think I'm flat, right?
You're not. Oh. I'm not looking at you.
You guys think I'm flat?
You're not flat. You're cute.
How did you get the edge? No, who even motivated you to come and tell me this? Who asked you to come and tell me this?
Nobody. See, like I said, I've been thinking about it for a very long time. I know how you are, and I wanted to take a little time.
God, this is a temptation. You are into me.
Give me a chance, I'll make you happy.
Afia, if you touch me again,
I'll make you happy.
Don't touch me.
I can take this.
Hey, I will slap you. Get the hell out of here.
I will make you.
Get the hell out of my sight.
Listen, I don't shout.
I don't want to insult you. You are a lady.
Yeah, I'm a lady.
So get the hell out of my sight.
I've gotten all the women this would come and say you are like senior. Should I kneel down? Should I kneel down?
Get lost.
Should I?
Hey, are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Oh.
Do you even respect yourself? As a lady, look at what you're doing. Where is your pride?
I don't have pride, that's for sure. Because of you.
Hey, Akiti or whatever you call yourself, get the hell out of here before I lose my temper.
I have big ass. Then forget about the dance I'm wearing. If I wear something tight, if I sit on your lap, come.
Oh, a guy like you. You think I'm gentle, right? Go here. Go and ask them what I can do to girls. Foolish girl.
So if I like you. Asa, listen to that.
Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Precious, I'm confused. Like, I need you to explain the situation more because I can't seem to grasp the concept of all of this.
Asantua. Oh, Shedana. Sheda, mommy, buffooing and piano. I don't know why she was just making me angry, and I wanted her to stop punching me and hitting me. Then I pushed her back to just prevent her from hitting me, and she just fell.
Relax, Precious, relax. In fact, remove your mind from this case.
I knew you were coming to ask me this.
No. In fact, you have done well. Precious, the way you have relieved me of all my stress at this moment. See, am I a free man? I mean, I'm her. Precious, you are too good. You are too good.
Phone. I just killed somebody's baby.
It wasn't your fault. It was self-defense. What is your problem now?
Me, I actually thought the baby would die by itself. It wasn't my fault though, but like, it's kind of my fault.
No, you should relax. Trust me. You did the right thing.
I've killed your baby.
Whose baby? Precious, please. I'm here to give you fans for what you have done, and you are here talking about someone's baby. We both know that it's not my child. So even if you have done this, now we are relieved. We are free. There will be no more stress on me, and then your child.
Don't you think I can be arrested?
You can't. In defense, it's self-defense. So like, we would speak on your behalf. Don't worry. For now, let's just keep everything low key and then keep a good profile.
I was really scared that when you come, you get angry.
Precious, as if you are not the person I've been fooling everybody in this school with. This works in our favor.
Did you see the baby? I heard the baby was black.
Yes, I told him.
They are saying that the baby was sick. That's why the baby was black.
Precious, it's okay. Go.
Oh, that's what I heard.
It's okay. Oh, go.
Aroma.
Sir.
How have you found?
No, I've not found. I'm just.
Try to be putting a smile in your face. You're a nice boy. Why are you like this? Huh? You can't shake hands with clenched fist. Do you know that? You like women, yet look at your face. Anyway, I called you here to discuss something with you. I intentionally called you at my residence because I don't want it to be strictly school matters. I want to talk to you one-on-one. As men, you're no longer a kid. I just want you to bear in mind what we went through was unheard of. Had it not been timely intervention or God's intervention, you could have ended up in jail. You know that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Academically, you are good. And you should be focused on your life. You chase life, chase your dreams. The next will follow suit. Women, automatically, if you make it in life, they will come by themselves. So why do you want to sacrifice your life for women? Young ones, women are advising you over this. Make life better. Women will come by themselves. Because women will always chase prestige. And prestige comes out of hard work and determination. You get what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to concentrate on your books. Forget about that girl. You aren't supposed to waste your life on her. Beautiful ones are yet to be born. Imagine, had it not been that you are okay or you are good academically, you wouldn't have gotten grip of whatever they were teaching you, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at yourself. Instead of you concentrating, dressing well, working well, you are full of drama. Aroma, why are you doing this to yourself? It's not wise.
Alright, sir. I've changed.
It's not about saying you've changed. I'm not talking about rhetorics. I'm talking about actions. If really you have changed, let us see the changes in you. Look at me.
Sir.
At this age, there's a government bungalow that I'm in. I have my own house that I've built. I'm taking care of my children. If nothing at all, at least I'll be able to meet the basic necessities in life.
I'm so sorry, your wife, is she fine?
She's okay. Okay. Let's talk about what we are discussing. Huh? Okay. You could be the president of the country. Who knows? No one can see through the crystal ball and know what someone is going to be in future.
That's true.
For all you know, you are one of our big men trying to gamble with your life.
Alright, sir.
Aroma, get the larger picture.
Okay.
Women will forever be there. And chasing women is like a mirage. You will never get there. Because as and when you chase these ones, the beautiful ones will be emerging. I hope you understand what I mean.
I understand.
So, I will advise you to leave that girl's life alone. Concentrate on your books. If you follow me, change your style of walking and how you dress.
Sir, with that, I think I have to say something.
What do you have to say?
I can't go back to how I walk again. I'm trying to change, sir, but it doesn't work. I think my spine is locked.
It's not locked, it's systematic. How you started at a point, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can start straightening yourself from another point. And gradually, you get there.
Alright, sir. And one last thing, sir, my this thing. You took my...
Your megaphone?
Yes, please.
You don't need it. No, you don't need it. You need your academic work now.
Okay.
You don't need those things.
Alright, sir.
You can't be holier than, more Catholic than the Pope.
Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my...
Hey. Now, who's school? You see, no school, and I say, no school.
Schoolers,
Head you out, Human will say, I don't know, and I say, no.
Oh, sir, but you're one army and our build their work. Everyone, the milk one, I kiss if you may want to.
No, well, go and push if you miss you will be a grand push if you and come on, come to school.
I'm the same in cello.
Won't you go and now do saying? Who call 1 mile is at my boy?
So,
The chippy penny. Okwaya do ko shim gba wie no e na hon e na adwane ye ana musuba kwatisa
schoolers say am enye dem schoolers am na won kan me check wo be na me frɛ dem ba be gina wani na sisa routine swaba dem am your ways ni Africa ka wanche
no ba ka tim meme ye de afro hey akoi mu de wo twetwe mi ana so yem de
schoolers no kwa ada won wa ka che won tem da ba to wanyim all man can you put your fetch him So going to school is why they are saying business and our business and pedal can be so.
Ansem bay.
School is
Eh, you also must be in the back.
I'm academic kitchen. Hey, Asantua, the banner was a one. Not a banner about or one about to.
Ah, hey, John, no, somebody Sakwa Kokona to 25 bay. Hey, was him.
The school is yeah, research can't put them in your info. I'm checking the parameters like a content, maybe some.
Oh, check it,
Parameters.
Obi a won ba wo asanto a won ba ne fa ho bai asanto ko wa akra say akra da wo won say tun wa say gabidie akra wo akra wonye nyini akra ya won nya akra na pampam nyina apa akra wo mu akam say na pampam nyina ko ni 2 months na pampam nyina nwini o akra nwini bi yesei ene bi ni ha ina akra say gabidie na asanto ko no we mu wa sa akra ni che won yam ni ntie o sesei o na santo pa ba ya kama say oh ntini yetum fo muntie no yetum fo muti school one ko sesem kwa na mudi ni school wa ko se na mama me bresa bretete sa dai no wa ko wo fie o si mi wo fie ba wo school wa de ha bre me ama se mi na mani abre e na media ko na ba na me hwese ne ho beto no we nyina kan ne maami asem
students was into ese ba no etuntuma
na ha santo se do siti Come on, go walk across it. Nne te ocheje bidie. Adai.
So yes na pempe so apa. Ese school anka bana anka sankota sanka chide man nkuni bi na nkodi faniti no. Kono so
me fami nkuni so me. Na mbia kwa man ban so fa bi senti. What is kuma etum for ya muntie. Etum for ya muntie. What? Wo ba school so bi sua de abobobra. What dey make a cho no? O mesuma so be ni na banche bi din kwa asasa. What ya sana me ka cho no? Kono anam de minya kwan nko. Ne me fa adwe. Muti skuma no kwa asasam ko etum for muntie. Kwa asasam ko na mudi ni skuma no.
School ya me nka ho na
wo ka ho. Frako.
School na ya me nya de mu. Iddi, I don't mean. Seven of them could do one and I asked over the chins we could come. On one of your friend Junior Chins. Okay.
Better. You know what happened? And after you got lost, what happened to my students here was unheard of. We went through hell. Thank God you came and the case is out of our neck now. I will entreat you to be very, very careful. Besides, your brother is all over. He's crying that you are disturbing him on this campus. You are doing so many things that he doesn't want to be doing. So be careful. If you are doing so many things that he feels is bad, please stop it. It wouldn't help you and it wouldn't help him either. Don't be chasing these guys. They are small boys. You are all chasing dreams. So let them chase their dreams and also chase yours. Why do you want to waste your life on your mate?
Master, I'm not the one chasing Aroma.
Aroma is chasing you all over. You are chasing him as well. I know it. You see, I did not mention his name and you mentioned the name. Meaning, there's something you are chasing.
Yeah, because he's the one chasing me.
Okay, he's the one chasing you. So, let him understand you are here to learn. So, you should all stick to your books. Period. Besides, you know Aroma and Adams, they are brothers. So, what do you want to do that? Better.
Master.
Why do you want to do that?
Thank you.
Your brother came to me complaining bitterly. He was even suggesting I should sack you from the school. You are saying Yes. He suggested I should sack you from the school. Should I do that? Maybe he's going to have peace to be able to concentrate on his books. Because you are disturbing him.
So, Headmaster, in I was Mike were born and you mean Tiao. And you mean I want to me concentrate.
So what's the difference between you and Mike? Explaining yourself now. You've gone back to your regular tree. There's also so abong. And the other day you say me na mabong to moon stick it to my books and moon siamade. What bong, what brand so abong. And the giants and who no brand into me concentrating, also to concentrating. Eh? Aroma is a young guy. Where do you think he's taking you to? All what you're doing is fantasy. Trust me, it's fantasy. Illusion. You are chasing shadows. Please, change. Be a good girl. Though I told your brother I cannot sack you just like that because you've not done something that warrants your dismissal. But honestly, if you give me the opportunity to do that, I will do it. Okay. Yes, if you give me the chance, meaning if you become stubborn and I see and I feel you need to be expelled from the school, I will do that.
Try and change.
Trying is a noisy way of not doing anything. Tell me you are changing. Don't tell me you try.
I'm changing. I'll change.
Good. You should change. For your own good. Huh?